Welcome to my channel. I'm gonna go shopping over here. It's called Cub Foods groceries shop. Just gonna do some shopping and I'll show you some things. Valentine is coming up. You can see they're selling Valentine cakes here. See here, they got some roses. I'm gonna smell them, see if they have a scent or not. Nope, they got no scent, even though they are real. It's a lot of them. I'm not sure how much they cost. So the roses here, they have no scent. They look nice, but they don't smell. $4.99. By smell, I mean they don't have a scent. Because you think roses. You sure they smell good, but these ones, nope, nothing, zero. Interesting. Never seen roses that have no scent. Yeah, $24. I won't spend that. And the only reason why I wouldn't pay $25 is because they got no scent. Not because they're expensive, they are not. But why spend $25 when roses don't have any scent? Now let's look at the fruits. We like grapes. These mandarins look sick. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell, they look sick. We call them sumo mandarins. Not good. Red grapes, they look sick. So instead I'm gonna get the green ones because they look fresher. You can see. In winter, usually fruit are not the best in Minnesota. So I'll get that in my cart. My kid likes clementines, but sometimes they are too squeezy, too soft. These ones feel good, so I'm gonna get one of these. We call them clementines from mandarins from California. These ones look sick too. It feels so soft. It's like falling off. I don't think those need to be sold. I see some mold. Can't see it on camera. They need to throw those in the garbage. Today I'll just show you fruit. I'm not gonna show you anything else at Cub Foods. So apples. You're gonna find out they have so many different kinds of apples. And I don't know what the difference is. Blackberries. Feels like there's nothing in there. $2 for $5. Seems like there's only a couple in there. Interesting. Blueberries. Strawberries, they look sick. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Got some Cosmic Crisp apples, $2.99, and I'm not sure what's up here. Oh, I've never had that. Lemon plums. Never had those. I don't know what they taste like. Apples, call them toots, $3.49. Got pizzazz apples, $2.49. And those are red apples, $2.49. You can see more apples here. Honeycrisp apples, $3.49 a pound. $1.99 a pound. Fuji apples, $2.99. Ambrosia apples, $1.99. $2.99 Wild Twist apples. Like I was telling you, they have so many different kind of apples. They have this granny, $2.99. Jazz, $2.79. Cosmic, $2.99. $7. Those are organic. Everything organic is usually more expensive. And they got some here. I think it's the same thing. $8.49. I don't know why they're different prices and it's the same brand. Alright, whatever. Pink Lady apples, $2.99. Golden Delicious, $2.99. Gala apples, $2.99. Cubis, Granny Smith, $5.99. These ones are in a bag, but the other ones over there, they are not in a bag. Okay. All right, let's look at the bananas. These are just regular bananas, not organic. They are 59 cents a pound. And I'll show you the organic. These ones are plantain, $1.99, $1.99. Kiwi, $1.29. The peanut melon, $6.99 a pound. Star fruit. Here's the star fruit right there. That's interesting. Each is $7 for this little thing. What does it do? $7 for those each. See, it says each. Papaya, Matador, $2.99. Never eat that. I tried it almost throughout in my kiddo. $6.99 each. So expensive. Mangoes, $1.99 each. They look nice and fresh. Kiwis packaged, $7. Different kind. Oh, it's the same kind of kiwis, but it's interesting. This is 1 pound, $5.99. These are organic. That's why they are more expensive. Anything organic is more expensive. Coconut, $4.99. Watermelon, they call it personal size. They're too small. $7, $6.99. This is honeydew melon. Honeydew melon, $5.99. You have cantaloupe, $5.49. And organic bananas, they're 88 cents a pound each. Because they are organic, so they are more expensive. These are so small. Look at that. And these are huge. These are very small, tiny bananas. Let's look at the pineapples. Each is $3.29. They're so small. Look at that. That's not big. Okay, I just showed you all the fruit they sell here at Cub Foods, and they also encourage people to buy local. That wall over there, everything is local. Give us a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, support the work. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.